I am the creator of my reality and I have the power to make my life an extraordinary masterpiece. I am exactly where I am supposed to be. I accept and love myself just the way I am. I am healthy, energetic, and unwaveringly optimistic. My heart is open, my mind is at peace, my body is at ease. I am conscious of my body. My actions and habits support its purification, vitality, and radiance. Every day I become stronger and healthier. I give each of my endeavors 110% and consistently express the very best within me. Money flows into my life easily. I always have what I need. I am open to all the wealth life has to offer. I see abundance everywhere. I am patient, kind, and forgiving. My compassion replaces anger with love. I think only positive, loving, empowering thoughts. I hold no space for negativity in my life. I believe in myself truly and deeply. I am powerfully courageous. I do not let feelings of fear or doubt stand in the way of my greatness. I deal with all of life's challenges from a clear, calm, and positive place. I know there is always a solution to any problem. I am balanced in my ability to both lovingly give to others and gracefully receive from others. I love to have fun. I am playful and never take myself or my life too seriously. I am surrounded by people who love me and inspire me. I accept each of my loved ones exactly as they are and offer them unconditional love. The universe has my back and supports me in every possible way, even when I can't always see it. Knowing that I give my absolute best to all I do, I can relax and allow the outcome of my efforts to flow to me naturally in its perfect form without expectation or force. I live with open eyes and witness the infinite beauty that exists within every moment of my existence. I follow my heart and listen to my inner wisdom in all matters. I am safe and protected by divine forces. I live with an open mind and continually invite new perspectives and fresh ideas into my world. I forgive others for their shortcomings. I forgive myself for my shortcomings. This opens more space in my heart for unconditional love. I believe that everything happens for a reason and every single experience of my life serves my highest growth. I am dedicated to never-ending growth, knowing that everything I seek in life is already right here within me, waiting to be awakened. I use every challenge as an opportunity to understand myself, take responsibility, and grow. I am fully open to whatever the divine wants to express through me in this life. I live with mindfulness and gratitude so as to be worthy of all the incredible gifts I am given.